Right guys, so this time I got a challenge for the testing this Volkswagen Id.R with passing those car hazard in a high speed. So I have to maintain at least 250 kilometers per hour to passing those hazard without reducing my speed. Every time I cross the finish line, I got 2 laps that need to pass. This is really awesome hyper car. I just fall in love with this car. Later on, you can see me avoiding the hazard of the cars, approaching the finish line with really high speed without any. Alright, I'm almost got there. Let's see in here. Look at that. It's really nice, isn't it? The grip, the downforce, really nice on this hypercar. I really love it. I have to dig more and get more knowledge of this car. Yes, I really enjoy it. I really love the car that has a downforce like this. Look at that. Passing the obstacles of the cars in 274 kilometers per hour. That's really insane. I don't know in the real car, but I believe this simulation from real racing is nearby the real one. But I really enjoy it. You can see in here approaching finish line. I make it as smooth as possible. Touching to the left, to the right, to the left again, and passing finish line, and this really nice. Hope you enjoyed.